So this question came up. Sander, what is the inexpressible? Well, how do you know that there is something which is inexpressible? So believing that there is something or nothing which is inexpressible as something which is not this, which you cannot talk about, which you cannot see, which you cannot get, is already this. The idea, the belief that there is something which is inexpressible is this already. The belief, the assumption, the claim, the suggesting that it's inexpressible is already this. It's already just simply whatever seems to be happening. And the belief and the idea or the claim or the thought or the suggesting that there is something which is inexpressible, something sacred, something special, something which is unseen, unknown, all that is already just simply this. And this idea or belief that there is something else which is inexpressible, or the feeling or the claim that it's inexpressible, may just simply stop. There is not a thing which is inexpressible or expressible. At the same time, thinking or believing that there is a thing which is inexpressible or no thing, whatever the hell that is, or something which is not, which only seems to be, all that is already just simply this. Stories, ideas, beliefs, concepts, claims, statements. And the whole idea, belief, idea, claim that there is something which is inexpressible or not is already this. And the wondering about it, how that is or how it should look, and wanting to find it and come close to it by doing all types of things, by talking, by inquiring, all that is already just simply this. The whole idea, belief that there is something which is inexpressible or not, or saying that it's just this already. This is it already. This is the inexpressible as expression. All that is just simply this, and the liking of the statements, the words stumbling out of the face, the love for the so-called suggestions, is already just simply this, innocently, effortlessly. There's just simply this, and calling this inexpressible or expressible or both or neither is already just simply whatever seems to be happening, as far as it looks, as far as thoughts goes, as far as feeling goes, as far as wondering goes, as far as imagination goes. It's already just simply this. This is free to be whatever it seems to be. This is free to imagine whatever imagining seems to be. This is free to claim whatever claim seems to arise. Claiming and believing that there is something which is inexpressible or not. Or writing a PhD about the inexpressible nature of this is already just simply this. And all this pounding and wondering and inquiring and talking may just simply stop. May just simply vanish. The claims, the beliefs, the statements, the thoughts, the the so-called stories, it all just simply dances freely. And even that there is not a thing which is dancing freely. The claim that there is something which is dancing freely, or the suggesting that there is a nothing as everything, or that there is just simply this, is this already. And it doesn't say shit. It doesn't say anything, and at the same time, it says what it says. It looks how it looks, it smells how it smells, it feels how it feels. Whatever's happening or seems to happen or is believed to happen is already simply this. This is it. And there isn't even a this to be it or a it to be this. Just simply more words, ideas, stories, claims, suggestions, faces moving, trees growing, leaves dancing in the wind, sounds fading into nothing, and not even nothing. There's not something which is fading in to something else which is nothing. Just a gentle smile, words, the loving of them, the liking of them, already just simply whatever seems to be happening.